Good morning, children, and I hope you all are safe and taking these protective measures to protect yourself. So, children, last time we studied patterns, right? So, I'm just want to give you one question which we have done, I think, before the last class. So, it is. So, this is what. So all of you are requested to please attempt this question. There are 6 rows in it. So if any problem with this question, then please tell. So if in case any problem, then please tell. Hello. Yes. So any problem with this code, children? Ishan Bose, Harsh Singh, Aditya Dev Sinha, Anjali Singh, Anuj Vijesh, Divyansh Chaudhary, Kriti Sinha, Maitri. Any problem? Will you people be able to do this question or not?
Yes, sir.
Because the same question we have done earlier, if you remember. So every row starts with a different value. So alternative, we can say that initially 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, like that. And while printing, also the same sequence we have to follow. So please try that. So here what to do is children, last time we have done the same question with 2 different methods. And here also. Yes, anybody want to show or should I do? Yes, Tanya Singh. No, beta, it will not come. Tanya, your
Sir,
code.
even I have posted. Sir, please check.
Tanya, your code is not correct. Jayavardhan, your code is correct.
Thank you, sir.
Your code is correct, Jayavardhan. Anybody else? Anybody else who want to post the code? Yes, hurry up. Kriti Sinha. Your code is correct, Kriti. Aditya Dev Sinha, your code is not correct. Aditya, no, Aditya Dev Sinha, your code will work. Aditya, your code is okay. Anuj Vijesh, your code will not work. Because every time the inner loop starts with J. That's why it will not. Divyansh Chaudhary, your code will work. So after the class, Divyansh Chaudhary, Gaurav, and Shauraman, these children will stay. Jayavardhan also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now children, so I'm just going to show you two different methods of doing this. This is the limit. And here you can just enter limit, and that is n, and here for int I will be 1, it is up to n I plus plus. For int j will be 1 up to I and j plus plus. So this is the first method, and here you can write that if I plus j mod 2 is 0, then we are just going to start printing from 0, else we will print 1, and after that you can just change the line. So children, if you run this code and suppose here the limit is 6, you can see that these values are coming, so it's correct. Okay, so here I have added some spaces. Now you can see that this output has come. So children, here I'm just going to explain you. This I loop starts from 1 and it goes up to n, and j starts from 1 and it goes up to I. So initially when the value of I is 1, then j is also 1. So 1 plus 1 mod 2 is 0. So this condition is true. 1 plus 1 mod 2, this condition is true. So that's why printing started from 0. That's why printing started from 0. And when the value of I becomes 2, then it will again start from 1. So this time 2 plus 1 3, and 3 mod 2 is not 0. So next time it will start from 1. But when the value of I is 2, j will also go from 1 to 2. So when the value of j becomes 2, then it is 2 plus 2, which is 4, 4 mod 2, which is 0. So this will come. Now again I becomes 3, j will again start from 1. So again it is 4, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So children, this is how the pattern is coming. So any problem, any confusion, then you people can ask. Class ninth. Class ninth. Hello. Any problem,
Sir,
children?
no doubt.
Okay.
No, sir.
Its second method is that we don't need to give this condition much. Here what we need to do is we can start this loop from I, and we will go up to 1 and j minus minus. And here we can check if j mod 2 is 0, then we are going to print 0, and else here we want to print 1. So this is how the pattern will come. So here now if you input this 6, so see that. So how it is coming, children? Actually, when the value of I is even, then it will start from a even number to 1, and when the value of I is odd, then it will start from odd number to 1. So starting of the line, we can easily start with 0 or 1 whenever required. But while this j is going, so one time even and one time odd will come, so that sequence is also maintained. Suppose it is 0 initially, then next time when I is odd, then here we will see 1. That in case of actually here in case of even, what is being printed? In case of even, 1 is being printed, and in case of odd, 0 is being printed. So when the value of j is 2, so it will, even case 1 is printed, and when the value becomes odd, then 0 will get printed. So here it is maintaining that sequence. Next time it will again come as 1 0 1 0, and then 1 0 1 0, like that. So any problem, then please tell. Class ninth. Class ninth, these are the two methods. But please respond. If you have any doubt, then ask.
Sir, no
No
problem.
problem.
Okay. Now I'm just going to give one more question. So you all have to try that. Yes. But please try that. I hope you all can do this. This one is not difficult. It's very easy. Yes. Ah, yes, correct. Divyansh Chaudhary. It's correct. Aditya Dev Sinha, it's correct. It is J you have written. No, it is not correct. Aditya. Jayavardhan, it's correct. Yes. Yes, Karthikeya Singh. But Karthikeya, your code is not correct.
Okay, sir.
If you simply want to print that hash and dollar like this, you have to do. And here what you need to do, you need to write I. And rest of the things will be exactly same. Suppose the limit is 6, you can see that this has come. And if you want to just print hash initially, then what to do? You just need to change this condition. And now you can see that if the value is 6, here the output is like this. So this is coming like this. Yes, any problem? Class ninth, any
No,
issues?
sir. No, sir.
Okay,
No issues.
okay, so one more question I'm giving. So please try that. It is 1, it is 2, 3, it is 4, it is 5, it is 6, it is 7, 8, 9, and 10. It is 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just try that. Children, here it is based on number of terms. It is totally based on number of terms. So yes, I hope you all are trying, children. Yes, class ninth. Class ninth.
Yes, sir, doing.
Hello. शांत बैठ नहीं सकती हो? क्लास ले ली फिर बताइए काका सुनाई दे रहा। Yes. Hurry up, children.
Sir, please check my program I've posted on chat box.
Okay, just wait.
So please check my program also.
Divyansh, you?
Yes, sir.
Ah, beta, it's correct. Tanya saying it's correct. Aditya Dev Sinha, it's not correct.
So please check my program also.
Aditya Dev Sinha, it's not correct.
Jay.
Kriti Sinha, your code is okay. Beta, who was that? Who was asking? The
Sir, I
Aditya Jay.
Jayavardhan.
Aditya Dev, your code is not correct. You have not incremented the value of S.
Sir Aditya Jay.
I'm telling Aditya Jain, where is your code? Aditya, previous, you have sent the previous, na? Previous question is okay.
Sir, I've sent this one also.
This one is not correct. You have incremented the loop J variable within loop J, so that will not bring the required output.
Sir, please check mine.
Your I checked, na? It's correct.
Okay, sir.
Jayavardhan, you're correct. I told you that your code is okay. Okay, now see that. So children, here in order to generate this pattern, you need to declare this variable c is equals to 1. And you just remove all this stuff. And here what to do is, you need to just write that print C++ plus 1 tab space. So C++ plus 1 tab space. So this is how. So initially what happens after printing the value of C, it will get incremented by 1. And here what to do is, after that you need to chase a line. So just run this code. You can see that here it is, the value of that is suppose 5. So this is the output which will come. So actually children, here we have to just focus on the number of terms. So whenever on the very first line there is 1 term, and then second line 2 terms, then third line 3 terms, then fourth line 4 terms. These are the, so 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. These are the 4 terms. So children, if this is the case, then the loops which are responsible for patterns will be exactly these two. So where the initial control loop begins from 1 to n, and this initial loop begins from, I have started this inner from I to 1, but you can write this also. You can write it from 1 to less than or equals to I also. So these two loops will not change when we talk about the number of terms. And always remember that here J is not responsible for printing. J is only responsible for generating the number of equivalent terms which are needed. And from which variable the value is coming, that is C++. So initially the value of C is 1, now C++. So when j goes one time, this 1 has come. When j goes two times, so C will again start from that point, which is 2 and 3. And then when I becomes 3 and j goes 3 times, it is 4, 5, 6. So this is how this pattern is coming. So if any doubt, if any query, then please ask. Class 9th. Beta class 9th, please ask. Beta hurry up, ask children, class 9th. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No problem, sir.
Okay. So now one more question I am giving. So all of you please try that. This pattern. So please bring this pattern. Hurry up. Here again the number of terms are needed, and initially the terms are from top to bottom. Initially 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So terms are like that. Hurry up. But please, jaldi. You all have understood this question? Children, I'm asking, you all have understood this question or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please try. Divyansh Chaudhary. It will definitely come. Your code is okay, Divyansh.
Okay, sir.
Anuj Vijesh, it is okay. Yes, anybody else? Aditya Jan, your code is not okay. What you are doing, Aditya? Chandani Srivastav, your code is okay. Yes, anybody else? Khushali Singh, what happened? No, it is not okay. It is I plus 1. No. Tanya Singh, your code will not work. Children, when we talk about that number of terms in decreasing order, so remember that there are two ways. Either you start J loop from N and it will go up to I and J minus minus. So this is the first way. This is the first way. And here you can see that if 6 it is, then this will come. The second way is that you can start this loop from 1 and then it can go up to n because you need maximum values on the very first line. So this is also okay. So if you pass 6, you can see that this value will come. So there are two different ways of doing that, either n to I or I to n. In both the cases, same number of terms will be generated. I hope you all have understood, children. Dear children, any doubt?
No, sir.
Children, one girl is Tavishi Jan. Where is she? Anybody who is the friend of Tavishi? Nobody is a friend of Tavishi and Garima. One more girl, Garima, is there. Yes, please reply. Anjali, are you friend of Tavishi? Yes, Anjali. Okay. Janya Jaiswal. Janya,
Yes, sir.
but just all of you switch on your video. I want to talk. All of you. All of you switch on your video, please. Yes, Tanya Singh, Kriti Sinha, beta, do you you are you friend of Tavishi and Garima? Anybody? No. Okay. Okay, I need to inquire about that then. So, any problem, children, today? Whatever I have taught? Kriti, switch off your video. No issues. Switch off, beta. Yes. So now after the after the class, Janya Jaiswal, Anjali Singh, Javardhan Goyal, Divyansh Chaudhary, Gaurav Srivastav, you all have to wait. Now I'm just going to provide you the Google form link so that you people can mark your attendance. And after marking the attendance, you may leave the session. So I have posted the form in the chat box, so please mark your attendance. If you are not in that list which I have called just now, you can leave the session. Thank you.
So could you please repeat the names?
Uh, Names are Anjali Singh, Janya Jaiswal, Javardhan Goyal, Divyansh Chaudhary, Gaurav Srivastav, uh, uh, Maitri Gupta, you also wait. Uh, and Chandni Srivastava also wait. So after marking the attendance, you all may leave now. Those who have to stay, they
Sir,
know. Yes, Akshat.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, Akshat, बोलिए.
So can you please once more post the link?
Okay. Yes. Now I have posted. So after marking the attendance, please leave. Thank you.